Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to boost processor to the maximum speed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Without delay, let's start. Search for msconfig, open system configuration, click on boot, advanced option, check number of processor, select the highest number. I have 4 processor, and also make sure this number is correct. Right click in this PC properties. Here I have 8 GB RAM. Now open calculator. Right here 1024, it is 1 megabit. Multiply by RAM. I have 8 GB RAM. This number must be the same with this number. Click on OK, apply, OK. Exit without restart. We will restart later. Close it. In this step, search for power. Open, choose a power plan. Here select high performance, then click on change plan setting, change advanced power setting, find processor power management, click in this plus, make sure to change it to 0, then click on maximum processor state, change this to 200, then click on OK, close it. In this step, search for GP edit, open edit group policy, administrative template, system, find power management, then click on power throttling setting, double click on turn off power, make sure to enable it, apply, OK, then close it. In this step, search for performance monitor, open performance monitor, data collector state, user defined, right click on user defined, new, click on data collector set, write one name here like CPU boost, select create manually, next, choose performance counter, next, click on add, select a processor, select the highest number, OK, click on finish, right click on CPU boost, click on start. Before this, guys, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. Click on start. Now close it. The next step, right click on start, open task manager. Here find apps. Here you have different apps. You can disable any apps you don't like or you don't need. For example, I don't need Microsoft Edge. Just right click, then click on disable. Now in the end, restart your system. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.